Listen, Course Creator Pro made me over $100,000 in a week. Here's the proof. I followed step by step exactly what's being taught in Course Creator Pro and pre-launched my own affiliate marketing course in March 2019. My course pre-launch price was $200. Within the first week, over 500 students joined my course, and that's how I made $100,000 in a week. And look, my success story is even featured as the top testimonial on Course Creator Pro's website. Hey, my name is Jerry and welcome to my Course Creator Pro review. You're watching this video right now probably because you have come across Parker Walbeck's ad, or someone told you about Course Creator Pro, or you found CCP online through Google search. No matter how you came across this course, you're probably still sitting on the fence deciding if this course is for you, because this course costs $997. I know it's a lot of money for many people. So keep watching and I'll show you what's inside the course, what are the lessons, and everything you need to know about Course Creator Pro. First of all, if you're considering CCP, it means that you have an expertise in any field you would like to share, teach others, impact the world, and make some money. Like what the founders Parker Walbeck and Dakota Walbeck always said, the number one determining factor of whether you should create a course is that if there's a demand. So if there are people asking you in your daily life, be it your friends, your family members, about a certain skill you have. This skill can be anything: cooking, writing, photography, video editing, social media marketing, or even things like babysitting, running, hiking, or dog training. As long as you have a skill that there are people in your daily life who are asking you for advice, then you can probably create a course and sell it. This is also the first determining factor of whether you should join Course Creator Pro. If you don't have any skills right now that people are asking you for advice, then this course is probably not for you. Instead, I recommend that you should work on something you are passionate about first, practice it, be good at it, and then you can join Course Creator Pro to learn how to package your knowledge into digital product for sale online. But if you're just starting out, don't overcomplicate this. Like what I mentioned just now, you don't need to go and learn a very advanced and complicated skill like how to do Amazon FBA, how to run Facebook ads. If you love cooking, you can specialize in a certain kind of cuisine and be good at it. You can even create a course on how to run a hot dog stand business if you're in that business. I know that's kind of weird, but there are people out there not just doing it but killing it. Now, if you have a skill you would like to package it into a course, then let's jump into my computer and let me show you the lessons inside CCP so that you are fully aware of what you can expect from this course. As you can see, this is the course curriculum page. Course Creator Pro uses Teachable to host their course, and they will teach you to do the same, which is to host your course in Teachable. Here you can see all the lessons within CCP. They broke down the course into 5 main sections. The first main section is the R&D. This is the part where you will learn the basics like how to do market research, how to structure your course, what gears and equipment you need to invest, how to script, film, and edit your tutorial, things like that. The second section here is called the infrastructure. This is where you'll learn how to set up the technical part like your website, your domain, your email list, and most importantly, your Teachable platform, which is the platform you'll be using to process payments from your students and to host your course for your students. Moving on, section 3 is the marketing. This is where you'll learn about how to price your course, how to pre-launch your course, how to do live and automated webinars to sell your course. And then section 4 is the advertising. This section is all about Facebook ads and how to run Facebook ads to get people to come to your webinars and potentially become your student. For me, I didn't know anything about Facebook ads before I joined CCP, and this Facebook ads section really helped me a lot to start. However, I wouldn't say this is the most comprehensive advertising lesson because it only touches on Facebook ads, but there are many other advertising methods out there. And I believe there are much more comprehensive, in-depth, and advanced Facebook ad course out there in the market. So in my opinion, the Facebook ad part is definitely not the best, but for a complete beginner in advertising, this is a really good start because Parker will walk you through step by step from the very beginning of how to set up your Facebook business ad account. And then finally, the last section is the scaling. The main focus of this section is obviously to teach you how to scale your course business, but in order to scale, they focus a lot on how to track your ad performance and how to do weekly, monthly, and annual reporting. reporting, because you really need to know your numbers in order to scale. Apart from the reporting, they also talks about getting organic traffic to your course and touch briefly on affiliate marketing, which is to get affiliates to help you promote your course. So these are the main structure for CCP. Apart from this, one thing I really like about CCP is that Parker is influential enough to get some really good discounts for his students. As you can see here, this is a discount section. You can get discounts for things like Webinar Jam, Webinar, which is the tool you'll be using to run your webinars. Parker also has discounts for Adobe CC Suite, which is the tool you'll be using to edit your video. This can really save you quite a lot of money. Most of these are their affiliate links, which means if you purchase these stuff through their link, they'll get paid affiliate commissions. But the good thing for you is that if you purchase through their link, you will get discounts, so it's a win-win. They also have a private Facebook group for students, so you can ask them questions directly if you need help. You can also get feedback or suggestions from other members. Now you've had a quick look inside Course Creator Pro, so you should know roughly what to expect if you decide to join CCP. Let's talk about the investment. The investment for the course itself is $997. It's probably quite a big amount for some people, but I would say if you have a certain skill you can teach others, you'll make a lot more money by investing this $997. I'm a pretty good example. I was making like around $7,000 to $8,000 per month from my affiliate marketing business. $7,000 to $8,000 per month is a pretty good income for many people, but I saw the potential if I package my knowledge and skills into a course. I can make a lot more money than this. So I invested in the course, followed step by step. It took me around 4 months to do all the learning and setting up my course pre-launch, and then I made $100,000 in my pre-launch week. You definitely can't make a lot of money very fast because this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're willing to put in the time and effort for a few months to put up your course, everything will be worth it. And for those of you who think I only made a one-time income during my pre-launch, right now I'm running Facebook ads for my course, and my course has become a passive income for me. I'm currently making anywhere between $60,000 to $80,000 per month from selling my course. This income is like what, 10 times more than my affiliate marketing income. So if you want to buy this course, you need to see it as an investment to make a lot more money for yourself. Apart from the course itself, you also need to invest in other tools. For example, Teachable, Webinar Jam, Webinar, Adobe CC Suite. As for camera, you can definitely start with your own handphone if you're running on a tight budget. If not, you can easily get a professional DSLR camera at around $600. So you'll probably need to prepare another $1,000 for all these investments, but some of these you don't need to pay them immediately. For example, if you use Parker's affiliate link to get Teachable, you can get your first month for free. If you use Parker's affiliate link for Webinar Jam, you can get 60 days trial for just $1. As for the budget to run ads, Parker advised to prepare probably $500 to $1,000 for the initial testing phase. But that's when you are ready to run your ads. I didn't run any ads to earn my first $100,000. I did it through collaboration and building my email list. These are just some other investments you need to know. Now, if you are aware, there are more and more courses out there teaching you how to create a course. To be honest with you, I didn't take any other courses like that apart from CCP, so I can't give you any advice on that and how CCP compares to other courses. All I can tell you is that Course Creator Pro is a really good course because it really walks you through step by step. As long as you follow the steps, put in the time, effort, and be patient, you have your course set up and earning you passive income. And money is not everything. You'll slowly build up your own followers and raving fans. So is Course Creator Pro worth it? I would say 100%. I'm one of the many success stories as a result of Parker and Dakota's teaching. If you're interested to join CCP, click on the link in the description area below. And yes, it is my CCP affiliate link for you to join the course. If you decide to join CCP through my link, let me know in the comments below and I'll get in touch with you so that if you need any advice or feedback, I'm here for you. That's all for this Course Creator Pro review. If you have any other questions about CCP or any questions for me, please also leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you.